Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from HealthEquity. If you need to take money out of your HSA for medical expense, this video is for you. HealthEquity does not call it a withdrawal. Instead, you reimburse yourself for eligible medical expenses. Open the HealthEquity app, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, tap reimbursement or claims. This is where you take money out of your HSA. Tap reimburse myself or submit a claim. Select your HSA amount, enter provider or store name, date of service, amount you paid, type of medical expense. Make sure the expense is HSA enabled. Upload a clear photo of your receipt. The receipt must show the date, amount and service. After that, tap submit. Once approved, the money is sent to your linked bank account or by check. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.